Muscles are the engines of our bodies, powering every movement from the blink of an eye to a marathon run. But have you ever wondered what actually makes muscles grow? The answer lies in a fascinating interplay between biology, exercise, and recovery. Our bodies contain over 600 muscles woven together in a complex system that supports, stabilizes, and propels us. Each muscle is made up of bundles of fibers, and these fibers are at the heart of muscle growth. When you exercise, especially when you lift weights or engage in resistance training, you create tiny tears in these muscle fibers. While this might sound alarming, it's actually the first step in building stronger, bigger muscles. As you challenge your muscles, your body responds to the stress by activating special cells called satellite cells. These cells rush to the site of the microtears, fusing to the damaged fibers and helping to repair and rebuild them. This process not only fixes the damage, but also makes the muscle fibers thicker and stronger than before. This cycle of stress, repair, and adaptation is known as hypertrophy, and it's the key to muscle growth. But muscle growth isn't just about lifting heavy weights, it's about how you challenge your muscles. There are two main ways to stimulate hypertrophy: mechanical tension and metabolic stress. Mechanical tension happens when you place your muscles under load, like lifting a dumbbell or doing a push-up. The heavier the load and the more your muscle is stretched during the movement, the more tension you create. Metabolic stress, on the other hand, comes from sustained effort. Think of the burning sensation you feel during the last few reps of a tough set. This stress causes a buildup of metabolites, which also signals your body to grow stronger. Interestingly, not all muscle contractions are created equal. Eccentric contractions, when your muscle lengthens under tension, such as lowering a weight, cause more microtears and therefore can lead to greater muscle growth. That's why slowly lowering a weight can be just as important as lifting it. However, growth doesn't happen in the gym. It happens after, during rest and recovery. When you sleep and eat, your body gets to work repairing and rebuilding your muscles. This is where nutrition plays a crucial role. Proteins are made up of amino acids, which are the building blocks your body uses to repair muscle fibers. Consuming enough protein ensures your body has the raw materials it needs to rebuild stronger muscles. Carbohydrates help replenish the energy stores you use during your workout, and healthy fats support hormone production, which is also important for muscle growth. But what happens if you don't challenge your muscles? Without regular use, muscles begin to shrink in a process called atrophy. This can happen if you're bedridden, injured, or simply inactive for a long period. The body is efficient. It won't maintain muscle it doesn't need. That's why regular movement and resistance exercise are essential for maintaining muscle mass, especially as we age. Hormones also play a vital role. Growth hormone, testosterone, and other signaling chemicals called cytokines help regulate the repair and growth process. These hormones are influenced by factors like sleep, stress, and overall health. In summary, muscle growth is a dynamic process. It begins with challenging your muscles through resistance or sustained effort, continues with the repair and adaptation process fueled by proper nutrition and rest, and is regulated by a complex network of hormones and cellular signals. Whether you're looking to get stronger, improve your health, or simply understand your body better, knowing how muscles grow empowers you to make informed choices about exercise, diet, and recovery. So next time you pick up a weight or go for a run, remember, you're not just working out, you're giving your body the stimulus it needs to grow, adapt, and thrive.